Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to change oil in a Ford Expedition. First, gather your essential tools, including a wrench, an oil filter remover, and a drain pan. Next, make sure you have the correct oil type, such as 5W30, and a new oil filter specifically designed for your vehicle. Finally, park your Expedition on a level surface and engage the parking brake for safety before you begin. Now, let's get that old oil out. First, locate the oil drain plug, which is typically found underneath your Expedition's engine. Position your drain pan directly beneath the plug to ensure it catches all the used oil. Then, carefully remove the drain plug, often using a 15 mm wrench or socket. Allow ample time for all the old engine oil to completely drain into the pan. With the old oil drained, it's time for the new filter and fresh oil. First, remove the old oil filter using your filter wrench. Next, apply a thin layer of new oil to the rubber gasket of your new filter before installing it. Hand tighten the new filter, then securely tighten the drain plug, often to about 20 foot-pounds. Finally, add the recommended amount of fresh engine oil, typically 6 quarts of 5W30, through the fill cap. To finish up, perform some crucial final checks. First, check the oil level using your dipstick and add more if necessary to reach the full mark. Next, carefully inspect around the drain plug and the new oil filter for any signs of leaks. Run the engine briefly, then recheck the oil level. Remember to dispose of your used oil responsibly at an authorized location. Also, for other great deals, and to upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, check the link in the description below.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.